Welcome back to the Total Quality Management video 3. So in this video we'll be extending with the nature of service expectations. So when we go with the what are the service expectations does the customer need, so you're supposed to know desired service and adequate service. So that will be the zone of tolerance. So level customers believe can and should be delivered, minimum level customers are willing to accept. So both, if you count, then only adequate service is possible and a desired service for the customer can be given. So that zone of tolerance you have to need. So without customer service we cannot give the required performance of the product to the customer. So the nature of expectations for the service is important for making the customer to have the confidence of the product. So how to measure the gap 5. So the measure of service adequacy is equal to perceived service minus of adequate service. So measure of service superiority, it is difference of perceived service minus desired service. So by this you'll be able to meet the customer's expectation corresponding to gap 5. So what is the measure for MSA and MSS? It is 2-column format questionnaire. That is a direct measure of MSA and MSS. There will be a 3-column format questionnaire. That is difference score measure of MSA and MSS. So here, when you take the quality of service, that is the 2-column here you can see lower, the same, and higher, no opinion. Like this, the scale is given based on service from 1 to 9. From the prompt service to policyholder, employees who are consistently courteous. So here, like this, desired levels will be having in the 2-column format. So further it is the desired levels, and it is the 3-column format. So here service level, desired and perception, it is counted. So low to high values are given for the prompt service to policyholders and employees who are consistently courteous. So measure here percent of respondents answering incorrectly. It is company manufacturer, retail chain, auto insurer, life insurer, it is there. So it is 2-column format, it is 8.6%, 3-column format it is 0.6%, retail chain it is 18%, 3-column format is 1.8%, auto insurer 12%, 3-column it is 1.6%, life insurer 9.9%, 3-column format 2.7%. Like this type of company based on the 2-column and 3-column format. So percent of respondent answering incorrectly, it is evaluated, so that the measurement error it is evaluated. So reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy, and tangibles are evaluated by using MS and MS scores for the 2-column and 3-column format. So here you can see reliability in MS score, it is sometimes it is in terms of negative for the 3-column format, and MS score also it is quite less, but in the 2-column format here MS and MS score it is slightly higher compared to 2-column format. So when you take all the parameters, tangibles, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy, so providing service as prompt, depending in my handling customer service problem, performing services at the right time and at the promised time. So keeping customers informed about the service will be performed. So this is about the reliability. So coming to the responsiveness, prompt service to customers, willingness to help customer, readiness to respond to customer requests, that will be the responsiveness for the customer. Tangibles, if you take modern equipment, visually appealing facilities, employees who have a neat professional appearance, visually appealing materials associated with the service, convenient business hours discounted. Further, when you take with assurance, you have to take employees confidence, what all they manufacture, that will be instead of customers, making customers feel safe in the transactions, Employees who are consistently courteous, so they have to give assurance to the customers. Employees who have the knowledge to answer customer questions, it must be there. So here empathy, it is giving customers individual attention. Employees who deal with customers in a caring fashion, it is going to happen. Having the customer's best interest at heart. Employees who understand the needs of the customer, like this. All the items are here, it is linked. So service quality perception related to zones of tolerance by dimensions here. Service quality perceptions, it is there. Reliability, responsiveness, assurance in terms of 0 to 9 scale, if you take, the rating has been done. So here the reliability, it has taken more tangibles, it is close to that. So like this. So computer, earlier it was computer manufacturer. Computer manufacturer, if it is taken in terms of 1 to 9 scale, here the responsivity is shown. For online service, different values are computed based on the zones of tolerance and service quality perceptions. Technical support also with respect to with respect to technical support services with reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. Zone of tolerance and service quality perceptions are here. It is marked on the plot. So assessed information affect our service. Library as place, personal control, here it is shown.